Stop buying iPads. Seriously, the Xiaomi Pad 7s Pro 12.5 might just be the tablet that makes you rethink everything. From raw horsepower to jaw-dropping display and ultra-fast charging, Xiaomi's new beast isn't just another tablet, it's a next-gen flagship killer. If you thought Apple had the lead, it's time to think again. Hey, before we dive into the full breakdown, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss these cutting-edge tech drops, comparisons, and deep dives. Let's get into it. The Xiaomi Pad 7s Pro 12.5 hasn't officially launched yet, but leaks and insider reports have left almost nothing to the imagination. And what we've seen, absolutely insane. First off, that display, it's massive. A 12.5-inch IPS LCD with a 3:2 aspect ratio and an ultra-crisp resolution of 3200 by 2136. That's over 308 pixels per inch, with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, and a peak brightness of 827 nits. But it's not just about looking good, it's about moving fast. This thing refreshes at 140 Hz. Your scrolls, your animations, your games? All butter smooth. What's powering this beast? The brand new Xring O1 chipset, Xiaomi's own custom 3nm SoC, promising flagship performance. Inside the chip, a 10-core CPU with 2 Cortex-X9 to 5S clocked at 3.9 GHz, for Cortex-A7 25s at 3.4 GHz, and a mix of efficiency cores for power control. The GPU, immortalized G9 to 5 MP16. This tablet isn't just for reading or streaming, it's ready to go toe-to-toe with gaming laptops. Need proof? In pre-release testing, it ran Genshin Impact maxed out for over 7 hours at a stable 60 Fps. And memory? You're looking at configurations up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of Samsung-made UFS 4.1 storage. That's laptop-grade memory in your hands. And no, there's no micro slot, but with up to a terabyte on board. Do you even need one? Let's talk cameras. Around the back, a 50MP f1.8 sensor with PDAF, HDR, panorama mode, and 4K video. At 60 fps on the front, a 32MP ultra-wide selfie shooter with HDR support and crisp 108op recording. This is not your average tablet camera setup. Xiaomi wants you using this for content creation, conference calls, or just flexing those social reels, and it's built to deliver. Now, the battery. This is where Xiaomi slams the gas pedal. 10,610 mAh capacity, and not just a big battery, but one that charges at 120 watts. That's right, minus 120 W wired charging, PD3, 0, and QC3 Plus supported. It also supports 7.5 West reverse wired charging, so yes, this tablet can juice up your phone. From 0 to hero in under 30 minutes? Easily. The build is premium, all-metal, ultra-thin. At just 5.8mm and weighing 576 grams, it feels like a flagship. It supports stylus input with magnetic attachment and works seamlessly with Xiaomi's floating keyboard, complete with an adjustable stand and glass touchpad. If you're looking for a true iPad Pro alternative, this is it. Audio for full. Stereo speakers with high-res and high-res wireless audio support. No 3.5mm jack, but what you do get is Bluetooth 5.4 with LHDC 5 and 8 to DP, so your wireless audio will still slap. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7, an IR blaster, USB-C 3.2 with OTG, and an accessory connector. There's no cellular support. This is a pure Wi-Fi tablet. But if you're looking to game, create, or work from anywhere with a hotspot, you're covered. The design comes in gray, blue, beige, and purple. Sleek, premium, and with that Xring logo beside the rear camera that just screams next gen. To sum it up, the Xiaomi Pad 7s Pro 12.5 is a powerhouse. High refresh display, monster battery with super fast charging, next-gen silicon, laptop-class RAM and storage, flagship grade. Cameras and premium build. It's Xiaomi at its most confident, showing they're not just competing with Apple and Samsung. They're ready to leap ahead. This isn't just another tablet. It's a statement, and hey, if you made it this far, you know this channel drops the real reviews before the hype hits. So smash that subscribe button, stay ahead of the curve, and let's keep diving deep into the tech that's shaping the future.